हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम। मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हमारी लाइफ में जो भी मिसिंग है उसको हम ढूंढना शुरू कर देते हैं एज कंपेयर टू दैट जो हमारी लाइफ में प्रेजेंट है। सो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं अभी आपको इसी मोमेंट में कहूँ कि मेरे बैकग्राउंड में जो खिड़की है वो टेढ़ी है, तो मेरी सारी बातों से आपका ध्यान हटकर ये देखने में चला जाएगा कि खिड़की कितनी टेढ़ी है, कहाँ से टेढ़ी है, क्यों टेढ़ी है। अदर देन जो कंसेप्ट मैं बताने जा रही हूँ उसको ध्यान से छोड़कर हम लोग ये ढूंढना शुरू कर देंगे कि खिड़की कहाँ से टेढ़ी है। सो दिस इज अ मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम। सो whatever is absent in our life, we focus on that thing rather than focusing on whatever is present in our particular lifetime. So जनरली हम इसको कैसे हाउ डू वी फिगर इट आउट कि व्हाट इज द मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम? सो मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम इज अ थिंग वेयर वी फोकस ऑन मोर ऑफ व्हाट इज नेगेटिव इन आवर लाइफ, वी फोकस ऑन व्हाट इज नॉट देयर इन माय लाइफ, वी फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई एम नॉट अचीविंग इन माय लाइफ टाइम और एनी अदर थिंग विद द टर्म ऑफ नॉट. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Parul Singh, your coach for life, explaining the missing time syndrome for today's video. Yes, missing time syndrome is a particular concept which is very harmful for a human being because we keep on focusing on where that is not important to us. Because अगर for an example, मेरी लाइफ में एक पर्टिकुलर चीज मिसिंग है. So for an example, I have given this window example. So क्या उस विंडो पे फोकस करना इतना जरूरी है other than what are the other things present in the current environment? No. But since I have figure it out कि ये टेढ़ी है, most of the people started figuring it out कि कहाँ से टेढ़ी है. So rather than focusing on whatever is positive in our life, because of the missing time syndrome, we start focusing on whatever is negative in our life or absent in our life. There is one more example for in a very daily daily routine example, we can figure it out. For an example, we have cooked a meal. हमने सैलेड भी बना लिया, हमने मेन कोर्स में we have our chapati, rice, we have our vegetable, we have our dal, everything. Once if I require a green chili in the salad and if it is not there, that means we will keep on searching and we'll keep on craving यार हरी मिर्च नहीं है, यार हरी मिर्च नहीं है. So other than getting into the concept कि रोटी भी है, सब्जी भी है, चावल भी है, everything is there on the table, but because the green chili is not there, we'll keep on craving for that thinking it is not there on the table. This is the missing time syndrome. In the human behavior, if we compare it with the human behavior, it's something if I'm not able to achieve something, my mind will keep on focusing on that कि ये मैं achieve नहीं कर पाई, या फिर this particular thing, this particular object, this particular pattern is not there in my life, this particular thing is not available in my things. So rather than focusing on whatever is present in my life, I keep on craving for whatever is not there in my life. I have 99% positive patterns in my life, but because of that one negative pattern, I keep on craving for that particular 1% pattern. So, and how to deal with that 1% particular pattern is, now you came to know that this is the missing tile syndrome. Stop focusing on that. And if you feel that this is not serving me right or it is giving me any harm to myself, keep on working on that particular pattern so that it convert to the neutral and it will serve you good in your future lifetime. Because there is no point on focusing on what is missing in your life. Always focus towards what is present in your life. So hello friends, once again, if you feel that this video is fruitful for you, subscribe my YouTube channel and give me a ping on my number for any personal assistance.